Welcome to Europe, a continent of wonders. Europe is a land of wonders, mystery, and surprises. But did you know it's home to a river so short it fits in a single picture? Or a country with no armed forces at all? Buckle up, because today we're diving into 10 mind-blowing facts about Europe that will leave you saying, "Wait, what?" From ancient trees that have witnessed the rise and fall of empires to peculiar borders that defy logic, we'll uncover the hidden gems and astonishing truths that make this continent so captivating. Let's get started. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Montenegro, a land of soaring mountains and pristine lakes. This, my friends, is the Rho River, a contender for the title of the shortest river in the world. Flowing gracefully for a mere 82 feet, the Rho River is a sight to behold. Imagine a river so small that you could easily mistake it for a mere stream. Yet, despite its diminutive size, the Rho River holds a special place in the hearts of the locals. Its crystal-clear waters, fed by the powerful springs of the Dinaric Alps, meander through a verdant landscape. The Rho River may not boast the thundering rapids of the Rhine or the Danube's mighty expanse, but it is a testament to the fact that nature's beauty comes in all shapes and sizes. So if you ever find yourself wandering through the enchanting landscapes of Montenegro, take a moment to seek out the Rho River. From the smallest of rivers, we journey now to Iceland, a nation that has captivated the world with its breathtaking landscapes and its people's unique approach to life. But Iceland holds a secret, one that sets it apart from nearly every other nation on Earth. This island nation is one of the few countries without a standing army. Imagine a nation where the defense budget is dedicated not to tanks and fighter jets but to education, healthcare, and the arts. This is the reality in Iceland, a country that has chosen to invest in its people rather than in weapons of war. It is a bold statement, a declaration that true security comes not from military might but from mutual respect and cooperation. It is a message that resonates deeply in today's world. Our journey takes us now to the sun-drenched slopes of Greece, a land steeped in myth and history. This is Adonis, a Bosnian pine that stands as a symbol of resilience and longevity. Imagine a tree that has stood tall for over 1,230 years, its gnarled branches reaching towards the heavens. Adonis has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the march of armies, and the birth of nations. It has weathered countless storms, its roots digging deep into the rocky soil. Scientists believe that Adonis is one of the oldest living organisms in Europe, its rings holding a treasure trove of information about the climate and environment of the past millennium. Each ring tells a story, a tale of scorching summers and bitter winters, of years of plenty and times of hardship. In a world often obsessed with the new and the fleeting, this ancient pine reminds us that some things are meant to last. Chapter 4, Germany, a kingdom of castles. Our European adventure now leads us to Germany, a country steeped in history and renowned for its engineering prowess. But hidden amongst Germany's modern cities lies a secret, a legacy of a time when knights roamed the land and castles dotted the landscape. Germany boasts more castles than any other country in Europe. From the imposing ramparts of Neuschwanstein Castle to the medieval splendor of Heidelberg Castle, Germany's castles are a testament to the country's rich and often turbulent past. Today, many of Germany's castles have been lovingly restored, transformed into museums, hotels, and even private residences. They offer a glimpse into a bygone era, a time when life was simpler, albeit often more perilous. Chapter 5, Spain's Time Zone Quirk, a Legacy of War. We find ourselves in Spain, a country renowned for its vibrant culture and delicious tapas. But beneath Spain's sun-drenched beaches lies a peculiar quirk, a legacy of a dark chapter in European history. Spain observes Central European time, placing it an hour ahead of its expected time zone. This temporal displacement is a relic of World War II, when General Francisco Franco shifted the country's clocks forward by 1 hour to align with Nazi Germany. While the rest of Europe reverted back to their pre-war time zones, Spain retained this curious time warp. So if you ever find yourself wandering the sun-drenched streets of Madrid or Barcelona, remember that you are witnessing a living legacy of a turbulent past. Chapter 6, Brussels, a Symphony of Languages. Our journey now takes us to Brussels, the capital of Belgium, and the de facto capital of the European Union. Imagine a city where you can walk down the street and hear a dozen different languages spoken. Officially, Brussels is a bilingual city, with both French and Dutch recognized as official languages. But the reality on the ground is far more complex and fascinating. Brussels is home to people from all corners of Europe and beyond, each bringing with them their own unique linguistic heritage. This linguistic diversity is woven into the very fabric of Brussels life. But Brussels' linguistic richness is not without its challenges, as language can sometimes be a source of tension. Chapter 7, Mount Etna, Europe's fiery giant. Our European adventure takes a fiery turn as we journey to the island of Sicily. This is Mount Etna, Europe's highest and most active volcano. Imagine a mountain that breathes fire, its slopes scarred by centuries of eruptions. For over 500,000 years, Mount Etna has been erupting, spewing forth molten lava, ash, and volcanic bombs. Its eruptions have shaped the surrounding landscape, creating a surreal and otherworldly beauty. The volcanic soil on its slopes is incredibly fertile, producing some of the world's finest wines and citrus fruits. Yet, its eruptions can also be devastating, threatening nearby villages and towns with lava flows and ash clouds. Chapter 8, Athens, the birthplace of democracy. Our journey through Europe's wonders takes us now to Athens, the capital of Greece. Imagine a city where, over 2,500 years ago, ordinary citizens gathered to debate the issues of the day and cast their votes. This was Athens, a radical experiment in self-governance. The Athenian democracy, while far from perfect, was a revolutionary concept. It was based on the idea that all citizens had a right to participate in government. The legacy of ancient Athens is all around us, influencing our systems of government, laws, art, and literature. Chapter 9, San Marino, a country within a country. Our exploration of Europe's hidden wonders takes us now to San Marino, a microstate nestled entirely within the borders of Italy. Imagine a country so small that you could walk across it in an afternoon. This is San Marino, a land of medieval castles perched atop towering cliffs and winding cobblestone streets. Legend has it that San Marino was founded in the 4th century AD by a stonemason named Marinus. For over 1,700 years, San Marino has clung tenaciously to its independence. Today, San Marino is a thriving democracy, a land of proud and welcoming people who cherish their unique heritage. Chapter 10. Lan Ferpulgwin Gilgagaric Werndrabu Lanti Silio Gogak, a name that's a mouthful. Our final stop takes us to a small village in Wales, a place whose name has become legendary for its sheer length and tongue-twisting complexity. This is Lan Ferpulgwin Gilgagaric Werndrabu Lanti Silio Gogak. Imagine a village sign so long that it requires its own scaffolding. This seemingly endless string of consonants and vowels translates to St. Mary's Church in the hollow of the White Hazel near a rapid whirlpool, and the Church of St. Tysilio of the Red Cave. The origins of this extraordinary name are shrouded in a bit of mystery. Some say it was a publicity stunt to attract tourists, while others claim it is a genuine description of the village's location. Whatever the truth may be, Lan Ferpulgwin Gilgagaric Werndrabu Lanti Silio Gogak is a testament to the power of language to both amuse and amaze. Uplifting music fades in, and there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts about Europe that prove this continent is full of surprises. Which fact shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. From the tiniest river to the longest place name, Europe never ceases to amaze. But this is just a glimpse into the wonders that await those who dare to explore. Each corner of this continent holds hidden gems and fascinating stories just waiting to be discovered. If you loved this video, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe for more incredible content. Turn on notifications so you never